Investing in platinum. A guide to investing in platinum. Investing in platinum can be considered a risky proposition, especially when you have limited knowledge of the metals. This article will teach you the basics about investing in platinum. If you understand what platinum investment is all about, then you will be able to choose the best metal for your investment strategy. Platinum as a precious metal has a very short history in the business world than silver or gold. This metal was not even considered as a valuable metal until the late 19th century when Europeans first discovered the mineral in South America. In the early days of investment in this metal, platinum was considered a less valuable metal because there was no demand for it at the time. However, experts posit that platinum is perhaps as much as 15 times rarer than silver, based on annual mine output. This means that you stand a good chance to gain returns from investing in platinum that are higher than those of gold and silver. While investing in this rare metal may seem like a risky investment, it does have its benefits. For instance, if you happen to find a platinum coin with a rich history, it will increase the price of your investment, thereby resulting in a sizable profit margin. On the other hand, if the value of platinum goes down, so will your investments. Even though it can be very risky investing in platinum, you can take advantage of it to increase the amount of money you make. There are several ways to invest in platinum. One way is through purchasing stocks in mining companies that produce platinum. Another option is through buying physical platinum coins in order to gain the benefits of investing in platinum. You can also invest in scrap metal dealers that sell platinum. Regardless of your choice of investment plan, you should start your investment plan before investing in platinum becomes a regular part of your life. If you have any doubts about your ability to make a successful investment in this metal, then you should consult a professional before investing in this metal. A knowledgeable dealer of platinum metals will be able to advise you on how to choose the best investment plans based on your overall financial plan. You can also consider investing in platinum as a get-rich-quick scheme. Since this metal is so rare, it makes it a desirable investment to purchase shares in companies that mine it. In addition, you will get more value for your investment if the company's stocks rise in value. The biggest danger to investing in platinum lies in its high value. It would be better if you start your plan early rather than later in life. Since platinum has such a short history, there is no guarantee that it will increase in value. It would be advisable to take your time in planning the purchase of the metal and only consider investing if you have some capital to spare. It would be wiser to purchase a small quantity of platinum coins rather than investing in large amounts of platinum at the start. Investing in platinum should not be considered a gamble. It is important to have a sound knowledge of what you are investing in. Make sure that you research the company that you want to invest in before you buy shares. It would be wise to consult a reliable dealer before investing in platinum. When gold prices were recently at their highest, investors were flocking to buy platinum as an alternative investment. Although many investors may have made profits from their investment in platinum, the market eventually bottomed out when investors realized that it was too risky an investment. It may take time to realize your financial gains from investing in platinum. So it is always important to put in enough time and effort into investing in this metal. Before investing in platinum, you should also think about whether you should go for pure platinum or not. Pure platinum can be harder and stronger than other forms of platinum, and you can expect it to hold its value better than other types of gold. While platinum can hold its value if you use it properly, pure platinum can also lose its value if it gets tarnished and becomes used in jewelry. Investing in platinum means that you can make profits from this metal when it is rare and affordable. Even though platinum is a rare metal, it is still widely used today. The investment in platinum does not have to involve large sums of money. There are many options available that allow you to invest in platinum for a small amount of money without risking a lot of money. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more about wealth building and investing.